everyone, thanks for joining me today for some heels conditioning. So first we'll warm up our ankles and then we will do a few drills to work on our toe point and our ankle strength and our ankle flexibility. I've been trying to work on these for myself as well, so I'll share what I'm doing. First, let's start by giving our ankles a circle, pointing and flexing as we circle, and then reverse your direction. And switch sides. Circle in one direction. And reverse that direction. Good. And now just take it to a point and flex. So point through your toe and flex. Point and flex. Point and flex. Point and flex. Other foot. Point and flex. Point and flex. Point and flex. One more. Point and flex. Great. Let's take it to some squats behind the pole. So to widen your stance, turn out your legs and squat it down. As we squat it down, come onto the toe box, push the ankles forward. Down and up for 2. And up. Squeeze the inner thighs for 3. And up. 4. 5. Squeeze the booty. 6. And 7. Keep your turn out. 8. 9. On this last one, hold it down. So hold it down, focus on balancing on your toe box, pushing your ankles forward. And be careful not to bring your ankles inward. Keep them in line with your feet and your shins as much as possible. Hold it. One more inhale, exhale. Squeeze those inner thighs to bring it up. Great. Shake out the legs a little bit. Give yourself a little break. And now for the next one. We're gonna come to the side of the pole. Externally rotate the bottom leg. Come up on your toe box of your bottom leg. And then practice making some little wavy legs while on the toe box of your standing leg. So I'm just slightly lifted. I am not able to go all the way up yet. I don't quite have the ankle strength to come all the way up, but challenge yourself. Everybody has different levels. So find your balance, use the pole for support, and come up just a little bit. And then just little wavy legs, working on our balance. These are really challenging. So as long as you can lift that back heel up just a little bit, you're doing a great job. Point the toes of the wavy leg and switch sides. Those ones are hard. Okay, come up just a little bit. On your standing leg, you'll see I'm just barely lifting that heel. And then little wavy legs. And this also strengthens our toes a lot. The toes are very important. We're working on toe pointing. We'll strengthen our toes while you're doing this drill. Last one. Nice breathing. And come down. Okay, next one. We're gonna take it into a low squat, coming like we did earlier with our plie squat. Now we're gonna take it down nice and low. Hold it down low, like you're almost in a yoga squat, pushing your ankles forward, and then hold it. As you're pushing your ankles forward, you're pushing through your big toe as well, putting weight into your big toe. To strengthen, again, let the toes take a little bit more of the weight. Good stretch for those ankles and the backs of the legs as well. Inhale, exhale, and bring it up. Okay, give yourself just a second. Readjust your shoes if you need to. Sometimes I have narrow feet, so sometimes I have to push my heel on the ground a little to get my toes and back up those shoes. Okay, next one is similar. We're gonna do little lifts. like so. So we're gonna do little heel lifts like this, but we're gonna come all the way forward on that toe box. So lift and lift, lift and lift, lift and lift, lift and lift. So make sure that you're, again, putting most of your weight into your big toe, maybe the second toe as well, but that should be your focus, not the pinky toe, because that's where we tend to sickle the foot inward, and we're learning to strengthen into that big toe, and that will make your toe point much better. Let's go again with that drill. So I also, when I do this, I slightly try to remind myself to turn out my feet into this V feet posture, like so. So here we go, another set of those. Lift and lift for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we have one final set of those, and then we'll be good to go with those. So on this next one, really challenge yourself to come up nice and high and push those ankles forward. Ready, and go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay, on this next one, we're just gonna come all the way up on our toes, hold it up, pull a little on the pole, and push, get a deeper stretch in the top of the foot. So come up really far on that toe box, really far, and then pull on the pole a little so that you can get as high as possible to strengthen and stretch the top of those ankles. While I'm doing this, I'm keeping my low abs squeezed inward towards my spine, squeezing a little bit through the booty to stabilize my upper body. Proud chest, good posture, and then push little kind of pulses and stretches to push the ankles forward. Good. Your toes should be really, almost really screaming. My toes are really feeling it. Good. Squeeze and lower. Awesome. Take a little breather. Feel free to do some circles. One more little circle on each side. Just loosey-goosey circles, kind of shaking it out. And then if my feet are getting really tired, I do a few little flexes, and I flex the foot just to rebalance it, kind of shake it out. Flex the foot, give it a little shake. Yeah, feels better. I also have a video that you can look back at about just non-pole, non-heels work for working on our toe point and our leg lines, so you can check that out as well. Okay, one more time, we're gonna go back to those plie squats. So widen your stance, turn the legs out, and then come down all the way, pushing those ankles forward and up. Finding your balance as well. Nice posture. Good, 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Awesome work. Really great. So a little check that you can do for yourself is you can do these little hops to see how you're doing with your ankles. You come into that plie squat, pull down on the pole, do a clack of the heels, and come right back where you were. So pull and come right back down. It's really hard. So give it a try. This is a little more advanced, high intermediate level, but you can give it a try. Push the ankles forward, pull, clack, come right back down. The trick here is keeping on the toe box. So it's a little challenge drill for you if you need a challenge. I do not recommend this for beginners working on their heel work, and you do need quite a large toe box to make this happen. I'll try again. I'm really working on these. These are not my strong point, strong suit, strong whatever, strong skill, but let's try again. Very nice. And only do those after you're fully warmed up so you don't hurt your ankle. Okay, and then I'll finish up with a couple flexes and point, flex and point, flex and point, flex, point, other foot, flex, point. Trying to push those toes forward. Even though our toes are strapped in with our heels, push those toes forward. Good. It's almost like we want our toes to try to escape that shoe. Okay, wonderful. So if you're also wondering about the difference between wearing sandal style and boot, the boot is going to give you more ankle support and is definitely better for beginners. But if you are trying to challenge yourself and work on your ankle flexibility and strength and your pointing, I definitely recommend to wear sandals when you're trying to condition your heels. And that's probably more for more high beginner and up levels. So if you're not sure for safety, try to wear a boot or take these drills a little more slowly. I hope that helps you with conditioning your heels.